everybody, this is how you're gonna make blow off the light. I already did in the previous video how it works. So after finishing this, you can do that, and I'll show you which brand. Or you can just see it for fun or just whatever reason. So first we're gonna start with the most basic things, batteries. So batteries, they're gonna be right, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, right here. I mostly think this is where you're putting it. So then, after I put this 2, push it to the side a bit and put on this guy, long 6 guy. Okay, so now that I got it home, you can move, because I accidentally made a mistake. There should be 2 back, not 1 back. So there's 2. Push this 2, connect it right over here. And then you're gonna get the 3. The 3 will go right over here. And also try to make it everything properly, because sometimes it doesn't work. Big problem about that. So next, put this guy, it's the microphone, and you see this X1 part. Turn it around and put it right over here, okay? Move a bit on the side. Put this 3 friend right over here. And then quickly we'll put this guy. This 3 guy will go right over here. It's a 5.1K or R3, okay? It should have these weird ZZ lines and the string of beads. And then, and these are not for playing, okay? And then go to this one and keep it over here. It should at least be till here. And then keep the other one. And reminder, when you're putting the batteries, this bottom side should face like this and the top side should face over there. So connect it properly. And then don't make a mistake, and then connect this back on. And then over here, we're gonna put a 2 right over here. Take it off. Just move to the side, okay? Don't take it off. Take R1, okay? R1, if you got it, great. Then connect it back on. And then take R5 and place it right over there. Move it to the side and put this underneath the 1, and then click it underneath. And then take this. Just keep it over there. Move it a bit to the side. And then add this guy right over here. And then connect him with that. And then take these guys, the 2, and place it right over here. And then take the 4. And we'll connect it just right over here. Beautiful. And then take the white. Keep this really properly. Turn it around. Keep it over here. Like this and that. Beautiful. Take this. Keep it right over here, okay? Like after 1, 2, see? The second one over here. After the 2. Keep it right over here. Great job! You have made this whole thing. Now let's see if it works. Yes, it works. The lights work. And now let's just try with the wind. Okay, are you ready? Let's see. Yes, it does work. So, after finished, recheck one more time. And also I'll just off it and I'll now show you. So over here, If you've got it all right, great job. Put it in the comments below and take a picture. See you. Tune in for the next video for making these stuff. And also I'll put you which brand it is. Bye.